Hey guys, Isaac back with another protein snack. Couldn't almost believe my eyes when I saw these little suckers. Basically, they're chocolate coated nuts with protein. So if you want to be naughty, these are definitely right up your alley. Pretty much the only good redeeming quality of them is they have a bit of extra protein in there, so you can sort of, cut down on some sort of other meat, sneak it in here. Let's go over the stats really quick on these protein chocolate sort of, sorry, not cookies, nuts. You're looking at 220 calories just for this little bag. It is a small bag, but I'm sure it'll taste good. You got 10 grams of protein in there. That's good. You got 17 fat. Yeah, that's massive. And then you're looking at 5 grams of carbohydrates with another 5 grams of fiber. These are almonds covered in chocolate. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to taste horrible. Oh, here we go. Yum. I'm not getting any sort of protein flavours or anything like that in it. It's just yummy. Yeah, almonds covered in chocolate, guys. Really yum. What can I say? Flavour wise, awesome. I love that these exist. I think it's funny and it's kind of cool. Rating: fat is retardedly high for a protein snack with only 200 calories in it roughly. But that being said, these are the kind of thing that you weave into your diet when you can. You've got an extra little bit of protein there to buffer it in and make it easy to fit in. So rating for these, I can't give them too high because the fat is a bit high. And yeah, for that reason it can't be too high. But flavour wise, super yum. Still gonna have to be probably 6.7. They're just so yum. Like stat wise, they're nowhere near that high. They're very hard to fit in your diet, but flavour wise, this is about as naughty as you can get. Nuts and chocolate, and it tastes really good. It's got a bit of protein with it too, which is cool. So that's it for today, guys. We actually have a couple of these other nuts as well we can go to do over Saturday, Sunday. A bit of a naughty treat, to have, and they allow you to sneak in protein, which is probably the hardest one of the macronutrients is to get in. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow.